Sharks.
Hello, Sharks.
Hi Sharks. Good morning to our respected Madam Principal, beloved teachers and our Sharks. Today we six creators with passion in our heart and reason on our hands present to you Rucola, a brand where art becomes emotion. But before we begin, we want to ask you something. Have you ever thought what happens to the things left behind when someone leaves? A dried flower, an old photo, are they left behind as a perishable ornaments or can they carry their own story? We build True Color not to preserve memories, but to preserve emotions. A brand where abandoned things become beautiful and resin becomes remembrance.
We are maybe just students of the world, but today we stand before you as a team who thinks like an entrepreneur, works like an artist, and dreams like a believer. Now please allow us to introduce ourselves.
I am Ashpit Kaur, the founder and the lead artist. This started as my healing journey, but now it's sold our purpose.
I'm Gulin Kaur, the head of designs and packaging. I make every product feel like a gift.
I am Gavin. I keep our creativity smart and sustainable.
I am Kushanshu, in charge of materials and supplies. I make sure we never stop creating.
I am Hanika, I manage social media. I connect True Color to the world.
I am Arman. I add final touches that turns resin into a memory.
We are Team
True Color. Six hands, one heart.
Most business begin with profit in mind, but True Color begin with emotion. After I lost my father, I was left in silence and memories. One day I came across a video, a flower suspended in a clear layer. It was simple, but something about it made me stop. It felt like the time had frozen, and I thought, what if we could really do that? What if we could freeze a moment of feeling? Next day, I ran to my teacher, Mrs. Dimple Bakka. I explained my idea to her, and instead of brushing it off, she listened. She said, this could be something beautiful. Start small, but start. That one sentence gave me the courage to take the first step. And the truth is that even though we never directly shared the idea with the principal ma'am, her words always echoed in our mind.
Be limitless.
She pushed every student to dream beyond the obvious, that belief lit our path when we didn't fully believe in ourselves. And soon we realized we are not just creating resin, we are crafting remembrance.
So sharp, you must be thinking what resin art actually is. If you have never seen resin art before, just imagine. Liquid glass, glossy, vibrant, mesmerizing. You just mix, pour, swirl, set and magic happens. It can hold flowers, glitters, photographs or anything you want to preserve, celebrate or heal from. And the best part, it's customizable. No piece is ever the same because no story is ever the same.
That's right, Kushanshu. Some memories are too special to be forgotten. We didn't want to just do them. We wanted to preserve them beautifully. Reasons to doubt. It's not just an art form. It's a way to pause time, to hold on to emotion and give them visual lasting shape. That's why we choose resin. Because no other medium could capture the feeling of part of someone or something you can see, touch or never let go. Resin isn't just art. It's a container for love, a quiet way of saying this matters, this existed, this stayed.
So Sharks, now I'd like to tell you more about that journey. So we started True Color with nothing, just YouTube tutorials and a little sum of cash in our hands. No professional tools, no experience, just a vision. The first time we tried resin, it didn't work. It spilled, it cracked, it was all over our hands and clothes. But we didn't stop. We stayed up late, watched tutorials, ruined the tables and laughed for periods. Slowly our hands learned the feel of precision. Our eyes learned patience. From struggling to mix the ratios right, to finally gaining the courage to post our first ever reel, every step felt like a mountain, but every product felt like a victory. So here's a glimpse of the moments that shaped True Color.
Now Sharks, we will love to show you not just what we make, but what we create with love, meaning and purpose. We have started with simple things, keychains, bookmarks, but it didn't stop there.
This one is our proudest creation.
This piece was made specially for our principal ma'am.
With gratitude for all that the school provides us, we, Rukala, present to you a Raisin QR code scanner for the school reception area, hoping that it adds both beauty and utility.
Yes, ma'am, sure.
Now we present you a Rakhi, preserved in a racing, keepsake, lovable bond of siblings, where love are born into the friends.
Encased in resin, it's not just a Rakhi, but it's a memory, love, and bond that life can never be delivered.
And here's a piece in which we have reserved something that always inspires us. Be limitless.
Each piece is handcrafted. Each product here tells a story. And our customers don't just buy, they remember, they feel, they connect.
Stop. Let's be real. Raisin art isn't new. We have studied more than 10 different raisin brands. But what we are doing with raisin, that's where the difference is. Rukala isn't just an art creating pretty pieces. We are building a brand that feels like last tender. So we don't sell the product, we trap emotion in it. Raisin can make by anybody, but we make wearable memories. Where you don't just see art, you feel it. Rukala, we are the students. We are students from heart. We know how it feels when we lose someone who want to grow. And that's why we make Rukala. So Rukala isn't just a brand, it's a bridge that connects your emotions to expressions, and that's what the really is.
Resin is like that cringy best friend. Expensive, high maintenance, and always messy. Resin art may look simple, but it's not. It just not takes money, but time, effort, and patience. Here, each product starts with raw resin, which costs us around rupees 800 to 1000 rupees per kg. We add pigments, dried flowers, molds, packaging, polishing, and of course the time each of us spends handcrafting every detail. But here's the thing, we never wanted to make art that only few can afford. So we sat down, calculated everything carefully, and made sure our prices were fair and respectful to both buyers and the makers. We price our products by keeping two things in mind, affordability for customers and sustainability for us. So Sharks, our target audience includes students, gifting customer, home decorators, and anyone who holds a memory, not just to buy a product.
In schools, we are often taught that art is drawing, coloring, sketching, but it is so much more than that. Art is anything that is creative. That's why we want to promote Raisin art in our school through workshops and interactive demos, because we want to show that Raisin isn't just craft, it can be career, coping and creativity all in one. When students learn that they can express themselves in more than one ways, they discover the parts of themselves that they never knew existed. We also want to show how Raisin pouring helps to deal with mental health, because we have experienced firsthand how it helps to deal with anxiety, sadness and grief.
I manage our Instagram, Rukala Notification, where we not just unreveal our creation, but our journey that how we start. Our page reflects our passion, creativity and efforts behind every piece. Every reel, post is a story that connects to the heart of the Rukala. So it's more than promotion, it's our journey shown in a real time.
Now that we have shown you the way behind True let's talk about how we are taking this vision from our hands into the real world. We aren't just launching products, we are launching moments and memories. And where do real moments go viral today? Instagram, Pinterest, or any other social media app. For our Instagram launch, we have posted a teaser reel that asks, what if your pain could turn into something beautiful? Very soon, True is bringing a campaign named Memory in a Mode. For our product line launch, we will drop some liquids, raising bookmarks, keychains, and our collection name is The First Feeling because everything leads just from one. To market our product, on first 20 orders there will be 20% off. Also, there is a special code, Feel It, for this 50 off. This isn't just a launch, this is our start. A start built with heart, strategy, and whole lots of soul.
We started with art and emotion, and now Rucola is building a full-blown movement. Here's what Rucola X is doing next. Why the future looks even more magical. We are planning to build a resin art healing kit. Think of it as a therapy box through creativity. We will include beginner-friendly resin, dried flowers, pigments, molds, access to a calming Spotify playlist, and a short note that says you are allowed to feel everything. We call it Pour It Out. Perfect for anyone going through grief or starting a new chapter of life. So shops, we are not here for funding, we are here for belief. We are here to show that Gen Z doesn't just grow, they create. The pain can be turned into purpose. We are not asking for your money, just your belief, platform and your support.
But wait, before we conclude, I'd like to say that Rucola isn't just a brand, it is a journey made with hands, hearts, and a whole lot of little movements. We started off with friendship, mistakes, a table full of raisins, and a vision. We're not just here to sell our products, we are here to show everyone what students can do when guided by belief, supported by teachers, and driven by purpose. Thank you for hearing us today.
We are True not just creators of amazing art,
but preservers of stories.
Thank you.